Top Notch Nation. We're at Vandenberg Space Base, where they launched the rockets off and stuff. Top Notch Nation Networks, we in there putting up a system. Got to have on gloves, glasses, the eyes. Brand new building. So, Top Notch Nation Networks. Get right, get left. TN3. We still here. Have no fear. What you want to install? Hey. Down there. Alakazam, Alakazam. Shang dang. Easy call. We're at Top Secret Space. Northrop Grumman, something, however you say it. I'll get some footage of that. It's top secret. We're at one of the spacecraft silos. Top Notch Nation Networks. Get together. Get your feet out the dirt. Email us at nationnetworks2020 if you need a job. Holla at your boy.